Hi, today I wanted to dive into the topic that's crucial to anyone in sales and business development, or maybe it's just you, the business owner, doing all the sales prospecting. So what's the topic? Well, it's sales prospecting. And I can hear you groan already, but hold on. Before you picture endless cold calls, let's just debunk that myth that sales prospecting is just about that. So what exactly is sales prospecting? Well, it's a process for identifying and reaching out to your potential customers or leads who have a genuine interest in your product or service that you're selling. So while cold calling is one way to prospect, it's just a small piece of the puzzle. Sales prospecting is like an art, and there are various techniques that you can use to create a masterpiece. So let's explore some of those. So let's take the first one. Yes, let's start with the elephant in the room, cold calling. I can feel you all starting to get a bit hot and bothered. So it involves reaching out to potential customers without any prior interaction. While it can be effective, it's not the only way to prospect. In fact, it's just one of the tools in your prospecting toolkit. So what's the other things that you can do? So you could reach out to people through email, and it is a powerful method. You craft personalised, compelling emails that grab your prospect's attention and open doors to meaningful conversations. Then let's look at social selling. Leveraging your social media platforms like LinkedIn that we're on now for networking and engaging is a really good way to build relationships and identify prospects who align with your offerings. So another thing to look at is your content marketing, such as blogging or newsletters on LinkedIn. Creating informative videos like this one can attract potential customers who are searching for your solutions that you offer. Another one is referrals and networking. So building a network and seeking referrals from satisfied customers or peers can help warm you to your leads and introductions and give you higher quality prospects. The ultimate goal of sales prospecting is to connect with prospects who genuinely need your product or service, making that sales process smoother and more successful. Look, let's be honest, if you want to excel in sales prospecting, you do need to embrace a variety of methods. Diversify your approach is going to ensure that you reach a much broader audience and increase your chances of success. So let's break free from the myth that sales prospecting is just about picking up the phone and calling people. It's a dynamic process that combines various strategies to identify and engage with prospects effectively. So if you feel like you need some support with getting started, or you feel that you just need to fine-tune some of your current approach and maybe it's a little outdated, then why not join our next Sales Prospecting Bootcamp? If you click on the link below, you'll be able to find out more details on when the next cohort starts. See you all soon. Happy prospecting.